Okay, my algebra, I used a separate piece of paper to do the graphs here, just to give myself a little bit more room. So when it's solved for y, this is your y-intercept, and this is your slope. So the y-intercept, oh, I see. There we go. So the y-intercept, you put a dot at -1. Slope is 3, so it'd be up 3, right 1. Now, there's no equals, so it's dashed. Now, I'm going to pick a number and put it in and see if it's true or false. If it's true, you shade the side that has that ordered pair. So I'm going to pick 3, 0. So this would be 0. Is that greater than 3 times 3 minus 1? Is 0 greater than 8? 3 times 3 is 9 minus 1? No. So you shade this side. Then the y-intercept's 3. So put a dot at 3. Slope is -2. So down 2/1. Dashed. Then I'm going to put in 0, 0. Is 0 less than 3? Yep, it is. So I shade this side. And notice where the segments cause a ticky-tacky-toe, or when the colors overlap, that's your answer. So this one. Now, when it's in standard form, I think you're smarter to do the intercepts. So x-intercept, cover up the y, so x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-intercept, cover up the x, so 2 times what is 4, and that'd be 2. There is an equal, so that would be a solid line. Do 0, 0. Is 0 plus 0 greater than 4? Is 0 greater than 4? No. So shade, or I do segments or shade, whatever. So x-intercept, cover up y, so 2 times what is 6, and that's 3. Y-intercept, -3 divided by -3, you'd have -2, which is here. Solid. Again, put in 0, 0. Is 0 less than 6? Yes, so I shade this side. And hey, that's our answer, and there where these segments overlap. This one is special case. Y in a number's horizontal. So here we go. Greater than's above. Oh, I made a mistake. This should be x. I didn't finish the x. X then 1. Did I write this down wrong? I might have. Oh, no. Oh, it's supposed to be x here and y here. So we're going to fix this just for you. I read it wrong. Anyways, let's do it here. We'll start over. I almost feel bad about that, but I don't, because I'm human. Human people make mistakes. X in a number is vertical. It's dashed because there's no equals in the problem. Bigger than is going away from it. Y in a number is horizontal. Again, it's dashed through 1 on the y-axis, and it's less than, so it's going below it. So the answer is here. How's that? Woohoo! Sorry about that. I almost feel bad. Here we go. Let's finish this up. These are quickie problems. Multiply two things same base. You add the powers, so it's x16. Base to a power, you multiply the powers. So 6 times 3. Product to a power, you raise both to that power. Ooh. 1/3 squared would be 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9, so it'd be 1/9. Here, 6 of these cancel with 6 of these, so you'd have x to the 4th on the bottom. How's it going, kids? Is it going good? 6 of these would cancel with 6 of these, so you'd have 14 left on the top. Here, you reduce the fraction, so it would be 5 goes into both, so it'd be 4/3. 6 of these cancel 6 of these, so it'd be x on the bottom. 10 of these cancel, so it'd be y to the 10th. And 3 of these cancel with 3 of these, so it'd be z to the 3rd. Now, first thing I have to do is raise it to the power, so it'd be x to the 18th. This would be x to the 60th, because remember, if you have a base to a power to another power, you multiply. 18 of these cancel with 18 of these. So it'd be 1 on top, x to the 42nd on the bottom. Holy moly. 3 of these cancel with 3 of these, so you'd have 3 left over on the top. 16 cancel with the 16 of those, so it'd be y to the 4th. And I drew this before I should have. This one, anything divided by itself except 0 is 1. Yes. Here, this has 2 parts to it. Multiply the 2 things, x to the 16th over x to the 20th. So it'd be 1 over x to the 4th. Yay! We are cranking now. So here, product to a power, you raise both to that power, so it'd be x to the 30th, y to the 15th. A negative to an even power is positive. So this would be x to the 4th. Negative to an odd power is negative. So it's negative x to the 3rd. 2 times 3 is 6. X is 6 times x to the 4th is x to the 10th. Y to the 7th, y to the 10th, y to the 17th. Whoa, I am going fast. Holy moly, moly, holy. So this one, 6 times 1 is 6. Multiply 2 things in base, you add, so it'd be x to the 15th, y to the 30th. This one, 5 times 4 is 20. X to 6, x to the 3rd is x to the 9th. Y to the 8th, y to the 10th is y to the 18th. Here, 8 of these, cross off 8 of those, but you'd still have 12 of them in the bottom denominator. 20 of these cancel 20 of those, so it'd be y to the 10th. Yowzer. And when you have a product to a power, you raise both to that power. Holy cow, I need a nap. So tonight, make sure you put an extra 7 or 8 blankets on your bed because it's supposed to be wind chill negative 15. Holy moly, what are we living in the Arctic? Are we going to see polar bears and penguins? I hope not. I'll see ya soon. Bye-bye.